everything is just a brain state, really, whether it's this or that. So to see what it is that is producing this brain state makes a lot of sense, and that is, of course, the human program. The way that the brain and the nervous system interacts to produce the brain states that are delivered to us through the human program. So everything is just a brain state. Even so, you can see that in spirituality it's much about to get out of the identification with the psychological self, so that the self or consciousness itself just can be that which it is, and one can find the freedom and the bliss inside that which is consciousness itself, as it is, as a natural state, and even that which is prior to this consciousness. The relationship between that which is prior to consciousness and consciousness itself is enough to let the mind and the brain be free, because it's then actually just about letting go of the identification with the different kind of brain states that are, especially those that are produced by the attachment to the identification with a certain brain state or with the psychological self. So everything is a brain state. Everything that is produced in consciousness is a brain state. So that is enough to see that, and to understand how the human program works makes sense. And that's actually enough for spirituality, actually, to let go of the identification process with the different mind contents that we produce, or that the mind produce, or that the different parts in us psychologically and also emotionally produce. Everything is a brain state, no matter what it is. Whether consciousness is pure and free and more the knower of consciousness or consciousness in itself, it's still just a brain state that is produced by the human program in which we live.